Alright, Saturday morning, feeling a little bit dusty. And I've got a 600k round trip to Napier to pick up the new shitbox. Adam has kindly offered to drive me down, which is awesome because he has a Lexus. Oh, what the f... So, where's the Lexus?
What? Sports car? Let's get to 20. I've done it hopefully.
Yep.
Still half a tank.
So, long story short, a $550 bid on an ex-rep car in a blind auction won me this car that I had to pick up from Napier. Oh, I didn't even fucking clean it for me. Didn't even clean it for me.
the camera? So, how do you feel? First impressions.
It's just as excellent as I imagined.
Is it what you expected for $500 or whatever you paid for it?
Yep, you're right, Steelies. Oh, remote locking works. Oh my fucking god. State of it. Ooh. Ah. Well, it smells how you'd expect. But what they don't know, or never realised, is that this being the Fielder Z.
It's a 1ZZ, not a 2ZZ.
No, it's VVTLI 2ZZ 2ZZ. 190 horsepower engine. And I guarantee no one in the company had any fucking idea. You reckon it goes?
Let's hear it go. First thing you should do is take the airbox off.
And here's why it's 414,000 Ks, or one of the reasons. One of the reasons is $550. Oh, this thing is fucking disgusting. The fucking state of this thing. We stopped in at the West Shore Beach Inn for a bevy and some Korean fried chicken, and then tripped the new wagon home to introduce it to the rest of the fleet. One condition of sale was that I removed the sign writing within 5 days. That turned out to be a bigger job than I expected. bought one. The next weekend, while out of town, I got this message from my dad, who was kind enough to feed the cats while we were away. I never need much of an excuse to chuck out ugly old Steelies with fucked tyres and replace them with ugly old mags with only slightly fucked X2K cup DRSs. A quick scrub got it to a state where you don't at least need to throw up as soon as you get inside the thing. This is a 2000 Toyota Fielder Z Euro Tourer, a JDM Corolla wagon with a 2ZZGE producing 190 horsepower or around 140 kilowatts, and a 4-speed auto. It has manual shift. Oh fuck. How fast were you fucking going? There's buttons here. Steering wheel buttons like I am a cheap sim racer. They seem like it shifts relatively smartly. Fucking vibrating. And it seems pretty obedient. So doing probably 50k an hour in 4th gear, manually selected. Floor it. Well, it doesn't kick down. That's a good sign. You know, some automatics in manual mode will decide you're an idiot and shift for you. So mechanically it seems really good. I've made an effort to clean up the interior, and while it's 100 times cleaner than it was before, it's still gross in places. It still smells real fucking bad. Okay, so it will let you limit a bash it in manual mode, which is nice. But the VTEC doesn't kick in until after 6,000 RPM, and the gap in the gearing is that great that you're off the cams. Shut the fuck up. You're off the cams for a significant amount of time. I read when the 2ZZ Celica came out that it had the same problem. This is with a 6-speed manual from 1st to 2nd, presumably so that it could hit 100k an hour in 2nd gear for 0 to 100 times, but in the automatic that makes no fucking sense. The buttons on the wheel can make them kind of hard to find when you're, more than a quarter of a turn away from center. You've got the upshift on the back of the wheel and downshift on the front, so it's not like getting them mixed up is an issue. It's just having that hand in the right place to make it happen. Probably takes a bit of practice really to, like if you're going to do it in like autocross where you're really winding on and off a lot of lock quickly. Probably not that bad on the track. You might well be wondering just what on earth I'm going to do with an automatic Corolla wagon on a channel that's dedicated to motorsport. Well, you'll have to wait and see. Unless you've already seen it on social media, because I haven't made much of a secret of it.